Hello everyone and welcome to What Bullies Sound Like to High-Functioning Autistic People. In this video, I'll be satirically going over just about every insult I've ever gotten from a bully or I've ever heard on the internet that just got me to cringe at how stupid they sounded. So here we go. So you're autistic. That must mean you're an idiot. A retard. Because after all, autistic is the new retard. There's even a charity out there that says just how bad off you are. Huh, nice glasses, nerd. You suck. Just because you got a degree doesn't mean you're any less retarded, stupid. Einstein was a retard who figured out quantum mechanics, that's it. He's still retarded for being disabled. Hey, I found this great picture of you on the internet. Shows a picture of the most retarded looking photoshopped picture I've ever seen. That's what you are. Chew with your mouth closed, retard. Clean up your room. Shut up. You're totally retarded for believing in God. Nice pimples, idiot. The 90s called. They want their shirt back. Get any pussy lately? No, that's what I thought. Your book's retarded. Stop drawing like a kindergarten idiot. You misspelled that word. You idiot. If I saw myself in clothes like that, I'd have to kick my own ass. Good on you quoting movie lines. Is that all you can say? No one wants to hear about your mom. Nobody cares about your science stuff, okay? Too long didn't listen. Too long didn't read. I fucked your mom last night. Oh, I came into your house that night and she was just laying there. She totally took it. Oh, what's that? You want to come find me? Good luck. I'll kick your ass. Oh, what's that? You want to fight me over the internet? What are you gonna do, caps lock me to death? You're totally not in the military. You wouldn't last a day. He, even if you are, I bet you lost friends there. You're just an idiot and you'll never amount to anything. I will always be smarter than you, even if I sound dumb to you. He, only a commie wears red with white. No, that our American flag doesn't count. I think that's about all I can come up with at this point. If you've got anything to contribute as far as stupid shit you've heard, I'll make a follow-up video. Also, to anyone I may have offended with some of my statements, keep in mind this is just what I've heard people spewing. I do not disrespect the military, I do not disrespect anybody who is on the spectrum, and I do not disrespect anybody who's too smart for their own good. And as far as bullying is concerned, I still hate people who scam other people out of money way more than bullies. In fact, bullies are kind of funny if you think about it, at least the ones that I quoted. Anyway, that's my video for today, and feel free to slap a like if you love it and leave your comments about it. And if you don't like it, well, what did you expect? The title says it all. Bye.